Good morning, everybody. Here to wash out another t-shirt. This was my attempt at a pleated yoke, and I didn't like render the sleeves level before I did it, so it may or may not have come out very good. We'll see. Still gonna be pretty. It just might not be a pleated yoke. It might be more like a pleats near the yoke and on the yoke and down the yoke. Pleated yoke and one pleated sleeve. Might very well be what we get here, but I think I caught it. I folded the other sleeve up, so it might be a pleated yoke, pleated sleeve, and a oppositely pleated other sleeve. We'll just have to see what we get. Outside with the cold water. As you see, like always, that turquoise, always the predominant color, hardest to wash out. It's also one of the deeper ones, so you can see it in the water better than, say, the yellow, the green. The green's just made from the turquoise. I didn't put any green dye on this shirt. This is just a tricolor, you know. Did I tell you that? Just turquoise, scarlet, and golden yellow. It looks pretty good. Let me get this front part one more time. We're going to carry it inside and band it out in there. To the inside.
Yes, please. Yeah.
Get on over to the hot.
I'm chilly.
It's a little cold out there.
Okay, I'm trying not to shiver while I hold the camera.
Start getting it unbanded. Hopefully it won't be too shaky for y'all up there. This one I can't unband in one go, but we're get it all unbanded. Definitely probably used too many bands, but that's okay. Wanted to make sure it stayed banded. See what I'm talking about? The sleeve. I got it the last minute. Remember? That's it. That's that sleeve.
It's okay.
I may have pleated him backwards. I don't know. We'll see. At least I caught him and pleated him, so he didn't end up pleated yoke. One pleated sleeve. At least if anything, we got the backwards pleated sleeve. Front part turned a little blacker than I had planned, but I don't know.
It always does on the bottom.
Yeah, it's not too bad on the inside. And I did wrap these because it looked like it was going to rain, so. Let's get all these bands out of here. Alright. That's a little bit of this water washed out of here, or dye washed out of here, and see what we got. Nice burgundies in there too. Okay, let's see what we got.
What you got, dude?
Medium burnt. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, so you see what I'm talking about? How it got pleated all the way across, but I didn't have this sleeve lined up in the top.
Yeah.
So I should have just pleated from here to here. That was my initial plan, but then somehow it got changed, and then I added this sleeve in afterwards. What I should have done was pleated here to here.
Cool.
My original plan was to pleat here to here, right? And then pleat each sleeve separately, but I forgot. So that's okay. It's still a pretty cool shirt.
I think it's really cool.
Yeah, with a cool crystal pattern on the bottom there. So.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. It'll do. Not bad for a tricolor.
Not bad at all.
It's good. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Okay, didn't come out too bad. Let's look at it in totality. As you see here, everything was going good. And then instead of coming back up to here, I just kept going down and across the sleeve. So that's where I messed up. My plan originally was to go here to here and then pleat each sleeve backwards like I did that one. I still want to do that in the future, but I know where I messed up now, and I'll make sure not to do it next time. Also learned that it's definitely better to do these pleats without gloves on. Nice little fractal scrunch here in the bottom. Didn't come out too bad. Probably could have done a little bit better, but not too bad. Good pattern on the back as well. Same as here. See, got a good gradient, you know, good yellow came out of that. Turquoise and a good green, sorry, came out of that turquoise and golden yellow. Yeah, look at that. Not too bad. Not bad for a first attempt, but definitely could have done a lot better. So, but let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see me try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.